How to move League of Legends to another disk. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. You can actually easily move your League of Legends from one disk to another. Start off by launching your PC. Now, over here, firstly check out the original place where your League of Legend was stored. It could be in your C drive or D or E. So locate it first and foremost. Once you locate it, navigate to your League of Legend, or firstly, you will have a folder of Riot games. If you click on it, you will have your League of Legend over there. So once you right click on it, you need to tap on the copy button. After that, head over and select a new disk. Firstly, the original destination was my local disk C. Now, if I want to paste it or transfer to my local disk E, firstly, I will head over to my local disk E, then just click on the paste button after a right click. Once you do this, you can just see that your League of Legends has been transferred from your original disk to a brand new one. Then, one thing that you need to do is you need to delete your League of Legends file from your original destination. In my case, I need to delete this from my local disk C. So, this is how you can easily transfer your League of Legends to a different account or the different disk. Hopefully, this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.